Hi, my name is Selva Kumar from Diamond Foyer Inc. I'm the founder and principal of the corporation. Today, we are going to see Cybersecurity E-Book Series 2, a brief snapshot. So I've given the URL link for diamondfoyer.com for the technology ebooks to order online, as well as it's been published in Google Play Store for actually buying it or subscribing it for reading all my books online for the cybersecurity ebooks. So I've given all the information here for contact as well. So you can message me in Facebook or YouTube for any other comments that you have within the ebooks series 02. So let's jump in to the PDF of the ebook, where I just want to quickly go through and skim through some of the important aspect of this series 2, based on all these vulnerabilities and securities issues that are being happening in all the different corporate networks. So I'm pretty much years and years of cybersecurity expertise. Worked on various different analysis and more experiments, and I've gone through various different risk assessment as a corporate. So let's jump in to see what a quick snapshot on Series 2, cybersecurity of my book. There you are. So you could see the Series 2 here. So I'm just going to skim through. So the title itself is saying bulletproofing the real entrepreneurs production infrastructure. So this is for very like-minded entrepreneurs worldwide who are tech and non-tech, whoever the background is this is pretty much very crucial and important based on various different analysis that I did in it worldwide. Government sector is having there's good government as well as the bad government is there in each and every country. So the real entrepreneurs, those who are high net worth individual, those who are forming a corporate on their innovation or any other intellectual like corporate that they are expanding into. The key part is cybersecurity. So the production like infrastructure needs to have all the different bulletproofing before an entrepreneur can expand into the market. There's a lot of people are very crooked, and people are doing lots of different things. There are good people as well as bad people. So there's various different categories that people can attack you on the business side, as well as on various different aspect of your business information side, and also on the intellectual threat side, infringement side, and many other aspects that are very important when it comes to the entrepreneurship. So that's why I just want to skim through the second series here. Um, so this is pretty much it's a wide scope of landscape on cyber threats, and also cryptography, the art of secure communication. So how do you communicate more securely within your network? And also there's a lot of different analysis on the Trojan, malware, and other script form of attack, and ransom attack, and DDoS attack, and a lot of various different attacks which are being explained in a quick preface, but there's a lot of different detail chapters that is there within this series too. So there's almost 220 pages in this ebook, which you could utilize for reading through all the contents, whatever is necessary to build up your cybersecurity within your infrastructure. So so if you skim through it, there's a lot of details out here. So on the cybersecurity space, there are a lot of various data which are being attacked in various different ways. That has been explained in detail, how you could protect your data. So on the IoT devices, there is also attacks within the IoT devices. So that is also covered. And also the government, regulatory bodies, and all these lawyers and all these people. There are like there's bad government and the good government. There's two different government. So bad government is always up to the entrepreneurs and their value behind it. So there's a lot of things behind the scene. So that could be really analyzed, and there's an explanation given in this ebook for having all the entrepreneurs must understand what is going on with the risk management within the cybersecurity on your IT infrastructure. So so the AI-based methodology where you could follow certain things, where you could have some of the updates within your AI that could also help you understand certain part of your network threats on the cybersecurity issues. So after that, you would see all the biography of my corporate, and there's a lot of history behind it on all the IT infrastructure development, as well as data center infrastructure and cybersecurity within all levels of data center. So all these are given. You could skim through it. So there's a quick skim through and brief which are given. So that's the chapters that has been covered. So first, the introduction on cybersecurity in network server side. So network server architecture part is being explained here, where you could have a detailed depth of dive into it and understand the architecture, network server architecture, and network server level threats and defenses. How you could have the threats and identified and defended based on your IT capacity. On operating system human interface server. If you allow any human employees, that needs to be very detailed analysis, which have to be done before you end up having any employees within your server to actually do any of the activities. So that's been explained there. And on the domain level, Forest and DNS server attacks, server hackings are there. So that has been explained. In Chapter 6, wireless communication and off-network attacks. In the previous chapter, Series 1, we already had gone through it, but this one is a little more extensively covered, which you could go through based on, and also this is on the OEM devices, how those new features and everything could play on your cybersecurity threat. So that's been covered on that. So chapter 7, data center security in cloud. So cloud also has various different level of server attacks within the cloud servers and clients. So those are the ones which are being covered in this chapter, where you could actually have certain things like gathered from this to defend yourself in the cloud attacks. On the Internet of Things, there's a lot of IoT security issues that are being explained in Chapter 8 and Chapter 9. So incident response and forensic auditing. So there's a lot of different ways that you could do forensic auditing. So this is pretty much more onto all your server logs and all the different other task or event logs that you could actually analyze and and do a visualization. So there's a lot of visual, like we also offer a visualizing technique with the BI, AI, and machine learning. So you could also send us your requirement on this if you want a visual analysis of this response and forensic auditing. So let's jump into Chapter 10, Emergency Technology and Future Trends. That's been explained. And defending cyber threats in domain communication. That's more onto the DNS. And the conclusion part, how you could extend your cybersecurity. So this is series 2. Just give me 1 second. Now we came to the end of Cybersecurity eBook Series 2, a brief snapshot. So I think this could have been useful. So for you to have this book purchased and have yourself up to date with all the cybersecurity threats. I've given all the contact here, so all the links and contacts for purchasing your ebooks online with my website, diamondfire.com, as well as the books.google.com. So you can type in my author name, Selvakumar Jeevaratnam, and then you should be finding all my series of books where you can open and have a quick order through the Google Play Store itself. So there are 2 ways that could be ordered. So if any issues with the Google Play Store, you could order it through my link directly. So yeah, so message me on any comments that you have for series 2, and I'll respond within 24 hours to 48 hours. So if you want to have certain things that you want to discuss, so you can also reach me in my email, selvakumar.jeevaratnam@diamondfoil.com. And then we could discuss on your requirements, whatever that you require on the cybersecurity side as a service. So thank you very much for watching. So do please have like, share, and subscribe the videos for me to have more videos coming up for cybersecurity. So there's Cybersecurity Series 03, which is coming up shortly. So keep watching and keep tracking on my technology ebooks, as well as in Google, as well as my YouTube and Facebook Reels. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day.